Hello, good morning. Today we have this church that we need to pressure wash. You can see this behind me. I put a chemical on it. So we're trying to wait for 5 minutes before we rain the water down and see how it turned out. Okay, we used the 30-second outdoor cleaning. So this thing people comment is really good too. Sometimes we use different things, but today we're trying to use this products and see how it works. All right, let's go. Bát là khách bát, phải thế. Dirty. Huh? We finish here. So really good. So truck. You can call us here. That's the phone number there.